मेरे साथ हैं आमना दानिश।
We are dealing with clients all over the world, mainly Canadian, US market, and Australian markets, besides UAE.
वॉट एक एजेंसी को अच्छे तरीके से रन करने के लिए आपके पास होनी चाहिए इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिसोर्स और एनीथिंग दैट यू लाइक।
The most important thing in whatever you are doing, when you are starting a business especially, it you should have your hands-on experience on those skills.
True.
आपको वो खुद आनी चाहिए because only then you can hire someone and you can own the results and आप better service दे सकते हैं. So
Correct.
if you are relying कि मैं just clients लेके आऊँगा and my team will do it, I don't think so that's gonna so although I have a team, but whenever it is needed, I know मैं जाके वो चीज़ fix कर सकती हूँ. So whatever I'm doing is I'm good at. So I can find a better person and maybe I can jump in and tell them ये ऐसे करना है.
तो इन योर एक्सपीरियंस व्हाट डू यू थिंक हैज़ वर्कड आउट व्हेन इट केम टू स्केलिंग और इन एट एनी लेवल ग्रोइंग योर एजेंसी?
मैंने आज जैसे आपको बताया कि you should have those skills yourself.
Yeah.
And then you can slowly branch out कि आपको कहाँ कहाँ जो है अपने लोगों को हायर करते जाना है. So do it gradually unless you have an investment. Or even if you're going for an investment, that's a bigger responsibility because you have to generate the returns उतना उनको return देने के लिए. But from my own experience कि जिसके अंदर I am investing my own money, I don't have any investor, so the decisions I have to make very like बहुत ध्यान से investment लेना है obviously because obviously you are hiring a resource and then you get more projects क्योंकि you know कि you have someone. And then again, when you hire someone, you need to have projects to keep them busy, obviously. So
it's one of the reasons I did not hire a lot of people. Meta, Google, what do you feel like कि यार कोई नया बंदा एंटर हो रहा है तो उसको ये
There is no rigid advice for this. जिसके अंदर भी good at, जिसमें interest है, you can be specialized in that, and then you can expand. Like initially, I was specialized as Meta, और मैंने उसी के अंदर काम किया. But then I wanted to add one more skill, so मैंने Google पे start कर दिया. Google पे I was working like कुछ client है, कर लिया नहीं करा, लेकिन फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता करके expand किया. So it's not about
that is a
having
legit
one
advice.
skill, you
It's
know?
exactly how I did. Amna and I had a few things जो similar थे in terms of working, and eventually after this discussion मुझे clear हो गया कि वो हम लोगों के experience भी कुछ मामलों में same
Same
है.
है.
So I do feel like when two people are experiencing the same thing, two people from different entirely background, but into same line of work, I do feel like third person भी होगा, fourth person भी होगा, और वो third या fourth person आप भी हो सकते हैं. The most important advice she gave was जो चीज़ आपको अच्छी तरह आ रही है और आप कर सको सबसे पहले वो लर्न करो और विद टाइम एक्सपेंड करो, क्योंकि कभी और दो स्किल लर्न करने के चक्कर में आप दोनों स्किल में बेकार हो जाते हैं.
बेकार साथ.
ठीक है. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर द एडवाइस.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू.